Ramen Noodle coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got one from the U.S. Got your Tapatio chicken right here. This guy always just seems so awake. What do you mean? Just looks rested. You look rested. Are you saying that I'm too awake? No, but you seem just really on it. Well, is that such a bad thing? Not really, but seems like maybe you had some time to relax, Just relax, chill out sometimes. Pretty cool. He never is though. He's all it's just a little much for me. It's kind of unbelievable. Okay, where's that fill line? There it is. Dump, 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 dump. Ah, making a mess, making a mess. Making a mess. Can somebody tell me how to pour things correctly? How many episodes have I done and nobody's let me in on the stupid secret that I'm missing out on? Maybe everybody just likes to watch me spill things on them. I don't know, but I guess I'm never gonna learn the trick. I've heard people say, just pour it faster. Same thing happens. It's like I've got a joke pot. Oh, my alarm's going off in my ear. Dismissed, dismissed. No school for Mimi this week. Oh, I need to pick a bowl. What am I thinking? I need a bowl for this one. Alright, here we go. That's the bowl I'm picking. Hoping it's not a mistake. Should work. So yeah, what's going on? Got a teacher conference for my daughter today. That's kind of fun. Busted! No, she'll be fine. She's actually doing really good in school. So, time for our next installment of quotations from the book Momofuku Endo Speaks, the book by the guy who invented the instant noodle. Hey, number 86. In a corporate culture without established morals, all rules turn into more facades or mere facades. It's all italicized, I'm sorry. Number 86. In a corporate culture without established morals, all rules turn into mere facades. So basically, unless you walk the walk when you talk the talk, it just ain't gonna work for you, Chachi. It's just gonna not to be so good, What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? I think that's what that means. That's my guess. Yeah, I should make hot sauce again, and I should do a presentation of it and give you guys the recipe. I love giving away my recipe for hot sauce, and it's really easy. You just buy a few things and you get 1 jar of vinegar and use that same jar of vinegar to put the hot sauce in. Make a liter of hot sauce at a time. And this is hot stuff right here, ladies and gentlemen. The last few times I've done these cups in the microwave and they've just gone sploosh. I've got a 1250 watt microwave. Let's do math time. So if you have power level 10, that would be 125 watts per power level, right? So I figure 8 should work. That'd be 250. That'd bring it down to 1,000. I did it at 7. Sploosh. So I've given up on the microwave factor of these. And here's my fork. So just a stir. Good hearty stir. Smelling a lot of cumin. This is one I did. I had 2 cups, so I got to take pictures of one and throw all that stuff away. Before I did, I took the noodle block out and I took a bite off of it. Nice spice to it, nice cumin level. Nice as a snack. Noodles look better in this format too. Wow, it is just blowing out there. That's funny. So for years I swore that the best way to have noodles was cooked instead of steeped, and definitely not microwaved. I've had some microwave noodle varieties that have actually come out exceptionally well recently. I should say in recent years. But this one is really good steeped. It's got a little bit of extra tooth to it. It's nice. So it's got a nice little bit of acidity. I like it. I like it. Alright. In that bowl. Oh, and it's hot. It says on the thing, will be hot. And they don't lie. There's that. Now we are going to add some wonderful things. First off, we're going to go for the egg. Oh, am I really? No, I'll take it. She made the eggs last night, ladies and gentlemen. She made the eggs of loving and tenderness. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Yeah. I'll get a better angle for you. Can you see that? Yeah, you can see that. Oh my God, those are freaking... Those are the sexy eggs right there. Oh, hi, Mimi. How you doing? Are you taking pictures of me cooking? That's fun. And I baked some chicken, and I just baked chicken, and I put a ton of Tapatio on it. So there we go. So I'm slabbing those up right here. I'm Papa. I will always be Papa. I will not have the ability to ever be Mama. But I really appreciate the compliment, buddy.
Papa, I'm gonna take a picture.
Please.
Yes, please.
Please take my picture, Miles. Do you want me to do anything? Or do something? Just do something, anything, Papa. Come on now. Okay, hold on.
I got this picture.
Okay, ready. Take my picture. Cheese! You're not taking my picture.
I took a picture.
Well, if you're going to take my picture, you have to take my picture. We got some Tapatio here. Kind of fits, right? Yes, Kiki. Would you just look at that? Oh, look what you've done with that tube. You know, we're gonna have a teacher conference for you. We're gonna let her know all about those tubes and stuff. Mimi makes origami out of no. What do you call them? Tube things. I guess I could put a little cheese on it too. Why wouldn't I?
We can put some light cheese on it.
Blue cheese. I got triple cheddar. Triple cheddar. Triple cheddar. Triple cheddar. Triple cheddar. Triple threat. Triple cheddar. So now that it's time to do like the rotato part, it's like the most like not correct music for it, but that's okay. This is not really like hot sauce. If you ask me, it seems kind of silly. Alright. We centered, not even close. Alright, so this is a good one, and that's the most... That music does not work for this bowl of noodles, but hey, what can you do? So, yeah, if you can find these, they've got them at the local store around here. Just Tapatio cup noodles. Not bad. Anyways, the next one is going to be, like, pretty awesome. So stick around for the next one. It's a Taiwanese variety. It's going to blow your mind. Alright. But Hans the Ramen Reader wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.